Man, this my baby right here. Shit, man, I'm trying to restore it back to her glory days. This ain't too bad. It just need a wash. Shit.
I mean, I told you I was a mechanic magician, but damn, nigga, what the fuck is wrong with your tires and all this shit? What's going on?
Man, it was running when I parked this shit, man. That's a trusty dusty lack, man.
Is
you
that
know?
raccoon shit?
Do you wanna ride? You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
yeah.
one of them shits.
Yeah, man.
Is
shit.
that your alarm system? Just a warning sign, my dude?
Hey, man, whatever gets me through the day, you feel me? Shit, this motherfucker gonna be nasty. You see, I got the rims ready to go.
Parking tickets right here. What the fuck is you paying?
Man, fuck all that, man. Go on, take a look around it, man. Let me know what you're gonna charge to do this motherfucker justice, man. I know you do all types of paint, body work and shit.
Shop, bro, because this I can't do it here. They got too much dumb shit for
Oh
me.
no, man, that door fucked up, bro. You got to go around to the other side.
Wow.
I hope you can fix that too, man.
Man, you asking a lot. How much you said you got again?
Shit, bro, I got about $800.
Ooh, we might have to. Yeah, man. I mean, this motherfucker ain't that bad, but nigga, is that a motherfucking? Hey, is that rat prints? Rat prints in this motherfucker. Well, what the fuck wrong with you? What?
It ain't that
It
bad,
look
man.
like a motherfucking raccoon ran across your dashboard. Who been living in this?
It just need a motherfucking detail. Shit, that ain't shit.
Man, you gonna have to call a detailer before I get to touching anything in here. This looks dangerous. How many cigarettes are those?
Man, you know how it is,
It
man.
smells like fungus in here. What is going on with this car, dude?
That's your car,
Man, you got like 20,000 CDs from not even 1987. What is going on in here? Mike's Hard Lemonade? Who drinks that shit? Is there still a Swisher in here? You got a whole Swisher in this motherfucker.
Ooh, shit, I've been looking for that.
A grape one.
Ooh, shit.
Some weed in this motherfucker. But hey, you know what? I might do the work with you. I might do the
that's
work
what I
on
like
you.
to hear.
I might do the work on you. You got some shit in there.
Now, what can you do for my motor?
Now, I don't know about the motor.
It need a little tender loving care, you know. Nah, that hood latch don't really work.
So how the fuck do you get the hood? Damn, man. What was you saying again? And the world's parted and God said, let there be dust?
Man, I mean, it ain't that bad.
What style is? How do you got blunt droppings in the intake manifold?
Oh shit, sometimes be looking for an ashtray.
Let me check your dipstick. Why your light ain't on? You need one of these when you get a chance. Is your battery working cooperative?
Oh no, man. My granddaddy gave me this car.
Okay, well, that's cool and all, but you need to tell me why the fuck you don't have a radiator hose on this bitch. Is there like a reason you don't have one? Cause that's where the coolant goes, and if you know anything about cars, in the first 1 minute of driving it without any coolant, your shit's gonna be like smoking and probably on fire.
Damn.
Yeah, and this car seems pretty old. What year is this again?
Oh, this is an 89.
Wow, should have got an 88. This is I don't know what you want me to do with this. Your dipstick doesn't even work. You're asking a lot, man.
Oh man.
You're asking a lot. But then again, you really need to worry about this not being a radio hose. You know what I'm saying? Your radio hose should be there. I don't know where it is. Where the fuck is it?
Man, I'm gonna really need your help on this one to bring this back to life.
Your coolant tank doesn't have any. What the fuck is this doing here? That's dangerous. You're lucky you got a belt on here. I'm actually surprised you got a fucking belt, dude.
Oh,
I didn't even think we were gonna have.
Take me for an idiot?
You got sound wires, but they're not hooked up.
Oh man, my shit used to be beating, Joe. I got 612s in this bitch.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe we can talk.
Yeah.
612s, you said.
Yeah. What do you know about sunroofs?